Is this what mommy looks like when she's done?
Yes!
Then I think I need to rethink my makeup career. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jamie B. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, my baby girl Karen, my 5-year-old, is going to be doing my makeup for you guys. I have had Nicholas on here, I've had Madison on here, and now I am putting Karen on here. We can't do Emily because she's only 1. I just love to incorporate them into my channel because they know how much I love it and they know how much they mean to me. So I just like to have them stop by every now and again to do some videos. So if you're excited to see what Karen is going to be doing to my face today, then go ahead and keep watching. So what are we doing first?
We're doing lipstick.
We're gonna do lipstick first.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see what we're using. So this is the Fenty Stunna Lip Paint in Unlocked. It's actually one of my favorite pink lipsticks. So you're just going right into lipstick, huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I love lipstick.
I know you love lipstick. It is, I'll hold it for you. It is your favorite lip item or makeup item, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Is it beautiful?
Uh-huh.
Good.
Look like an artist.
I look like an artist?
Yeah.
No, you look like an artist.
A makeup artist, you?
Yeah, you are.
You look like a makeup artist.
Aw, thanks, baby. You're so...
No. I kind of messed up.
I have like a little wipe over here if you need it. Oh, do you need a wipe or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can wipe off the edges. That
The
I
edges.
messed up.
Okay. It's like a little cloth. Is it not coming here? Oh, okay. Okay. We're gonna do some eyeshadow. Oh, what eyeshadow palette are we using? I've only used this one time. Here, come show them. Say this is the Lunar Beauty.
This is the Lunar Beauty
Eternal Eclipse.
Turning Crisp
Eyeshadow palette.
eyeshadow palette.
Okay. Let's show them the inside. Ooh, mommy has only used this palette one time. Here are all the brushes you could possibly need in the world. All right, girl. What color are we going into first?
This color.
Okay. So let me show them. So we're going to go into this color first.
The eyes can look darker.
Oh, okay. So just explain to them what you're doing. You're the artist here.
I'm actually a queen artist.
You're a queen artist. What is that? Like the best artist ever?
Yeah, who paints onto a canvas.
Oh, you're a canvas artist.
Yeah, that's what real artists do.
Yeah? Well, you know, you are an artist. She definitely is an artist. She paints and she colors and she draws. She actually draws better than I do. And she teaches herself. She does these things where she just draws what she sees. And she taught herself to write. So, and then she learned how to write her name on her own.
Yeah, will I still know how to?
Yeah, now you're getting better because you're in school. But Karen is definitely an artist. She loves to paint and color and draw. So, but she's a canvas artist, but she does makeup. She loves doing her makeup, don't you? Lipstick is your favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Reds and purples, or pinks and purples. Which is it?
Pink and purple and blue.
Yeah, you do love blue. So this is the transition shade to make my eyes darker. Alright, what color are we going into now? So I can show them.
This sparkly.
Oh, okay. So we are going into Flare. Let me show them. Which is this sparkly one.
Some magic dust.
Some magic dust, is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
I think you're doing a fantastic job.
And when we put the, one of these on, we'll then put some more glitter so it can shimmer.
You love glitter, huh?
Uh-huh.
You would love the new Jacqueline eye shimmers that I got. I don't like them because it has too much glitter. Glitter is messy. You love glitter.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay.
And I love to put on my pictures.
I know.
But I don't know how to stick it.
Glue, like your glue sticks or your liquid glue.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we're going to go into this,
Let me show them first.
silver.
So we're going to go into this silver color, which is Starry-Eyed. What are you doing with the silver color?
Making it more shimmer
Oh, okay.
because it's really shimmery.
All right. Are we done with the eyeshadow?
No.
No.
But I put some darkness.
We're gonna put some darkness, okay.
We need a flat brush.
Okay, you have a flat brush. What are we doing?
This dark blue.
Which one?
This dark blue right here.
Okay, Lagoon. Okay.
Lagoon.
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 You're so cute. And you're just gonna put eyeshadow over everything you did? Alright, what are we doing next?
We're gonna do this one next.
Okay.
But right now we're doing this one.
One has quite a bit of fallout in it, doesn't it? Yes, okay. Alright, so what are we doing now?
We're doing shimmer. We're gonna
Shimmer.
do this one.
Oh, that's a lot of shimmer. So we're going in with Deep Sea, which is the shimmer blue.
You're gonna become a mermaid. I'm making you into a mermaid.
Oh, I'm gonna become a mermaid, huh?
Yeah. And then I'm gonna draw a mermaid on your cheek.
No, we're not gonna do that.
This is some lip gloss in case this is dry, so we don't mix it together.
Okay, it is dry. It is definitely dry.
Let me see.
Well, I mean, that's the type of lipstick that it is. It's not gonna be 100% dry because that's not how it works. But you can put that on there. Squeeze it a little. Oh. So as you're squeezing it, you want to move it. Okay, okay. Those are some really juicy lips, Kay. Oh, girl, yes.
What?
Why are you doing that on my face? Concealer doesn't go all over your face. This isn't foundation. Oh boy. Alright. Today for foundation, we're using Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Okay. So you're doing this instead of foundation? Is this what you do with your makeup?
Yeah.
You don't put foundation on, you just do, here, I got it, baby. Here you go. You just use concealer? That's thick. It's gonna be a thick, okay. This is going to definitely not match my skin tone because this is a concealer. So it's supposed to be lighter.
You look like the color.
I know, it's okay, it's okay. Because concealer is only supposed to be used under your eyes and like your forehead to highlight. So you put your own foundation on which matches your skin color.
Oh.
And then you use this to make it look brighter.
I need to put some on your nose. Okay, now
Okay.
we're going to do some blush. Oh, blush.
Okay. So we're using, this is highlighter. Do you want blush? I have a blush in here. Do I? Yes, this one. This is a blush. There you go, girl.
Now I need...
That's a blush brush. That pink one, yeah. I thought you got that out already. Just subtle. You don't want it to be... Are you sure you're not trying to make me into a clown?
I'm sure.
I thought we agreed we weren't going to make any characters. We were going to do actual normal makeup.
I am.
Okay, okay.
This is real makeup.
Is it?
Yes.
Is this what mommy looks like when she's done?
Yes.
Then I think I need to rethink my makeup career. So now she's putting on my mascara.
So don't blink. Yeah. I need to look poppin'.
My eyes need to look poppin'.
Now your bottom lashes.
Okay, you're actually really good at this.
Okay.
Wow.
Your other.
Are my eyes popping like you said?
Yep.
So now she's going to set my face and then dry it with the fan. Alright, here you go. Spray it all over me. You just squish it. Okay. And now you just dry it.
This?
Here, come a little closer. Alright guys, are you ready to see the final product? Alright, show them your look, girl. Yes, I love it. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a comment down below telling Karen what a great job she did, and make sure you hit that thumbs up for me, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I do 6 videos every single week. You don't want to miss out. And as always, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.